SolarSkin is a high R-value radiant roofing barrier. SolarSkin is the world's first roofing underlayment product that combines the qualities of thermal as well as the fire safety characteristics of standard thermal insulation. SolarSkin is patent-pending technology that uses only the finest quality materials to protect your home's roof from the elements and also reduce your home's energy loss. And SolarSkin will protect against potential fire risks. SolarSkin is made of 99% high-polished reinforced aluminum bonded to a layer of fiberglass, which in turn is bonded to a layer of synthetic underlayment. This creates a product that is revolutionizing the roofing market. This new technology underlayment will help all roofers meet the new energy and fire codes. SolarSkin can be installed under a wide variety of roofing applications, from composite shingles, stone-coated steel, clay tiles, and metal roofing. True Green Roofing takes great pride in meeting our customers' complete satisfaction. It is our intent to leave the smallest footprint possible. We love what we do. True Green Roofing, since 2008.